Have you ever gotten what should be enough sleep, yet still wake up tired or foggy? You're not alone, and in this video, I'm sharing how I improved my deep sleep without increasing how many hours I sleep. Hi, I'm Lynn Johnson. I help you find new ways to restore and live life in balance using the natural support of energetic frequencies and resonance. For years, I've worn a health tracking ring that tells me about my sleep. Even when I was sleeping enough hours, I was still waking up feeling tired and not really very good. It was like my body was missing the part of sleep that actually heals you and restores you. When I started using the AO Scan sleep playlist, everything shifted within days. The tracking ring showed a rise in my deep sleep. It almost doubled. And more importantly, I felt the difference. I was waking up refreshed. I felt ready for the day, and I had energy that lasted and stayed with me. The AO Scan is a subtle wellness app that is on your phone. It works with your body by targeting frequencies to support and offers natural balance to them. Often, I use it while I go about my day, or in this case, my night. It simply works to remind your system what its natural, balanced state is. And my favorite tool is the sleep playlist. It's a custom frequency mix of 15 things that quiets the mental noise. It supports my restful sleep. It's built right into the app. All I do is tap on sleep. My deep restorative sleep has doubled without adding more hours, and that's the help that so many people are searching for. And if you're wondering whether frequencies can really work or make a difference, don't just take my sleep story. I recently shared a video about how the same tools, the same app, helps calm my dog during thunderstorms. For 14 years, we have suffered with her trauma, and if helping her is possible, imagine what it can do for your nervous system at bedtime. I'm going to link to that video at the end. Nearly 1 in 3 adults aren't getting the kind of sleep that their body truly needs. They're doing all the things, yet they're still waking up exhausted. What I love about the AO Scan is that it doesn't just treat the symptoms. It offers deeper support, emotional calming, nervous system regulation, harmonizing tools that work with your personal energy field. Things like the melatonin frequencies, relaxing homeopathics, or just sending calming patterns to support my sleep. I tried various fixes. I needed something that worked with me. And that's why the sleep list in the AO Scan is my favorite tool. It has done this for me. My sleep tracker continues to verify the data, but most importantly, I wake up feeling great. I'm refreshed. If you're curious if this could help you, there's a link in the description for a free scan. Sometimes we just need to hear about these new, amazing ways to help naturally improve our life. If you'd like to hear more about my dog feeling safe during storms, check that video out. I am so convinced that the benefits that we can all receive from frequency work are real. Thank you for being here. If this spoke to something that you're feeling, reach out and live life in balance.